Okay, today I'm doing a quick unboxing and setup of the Raspberry Pi AI kit, and then upcoming I'm going to be using this with Milvus and some models at the edge, see what kind of image and video processing we could do, and let's check what we got here. We've got our, oh, do I need this? That's probably too much. Seeing how much do I need to be able to see here to do this? And it's not that much. So here is my Raspberry Pi 5. We need the 5 for this. We're going to be adding our heat plate, so we're not too hot there. We're gonna plug that in. It's got the this is the active cooler. We got fan, and we got the magnet. We'll add that, and then on top of that, more importantly, we're gonna add this guy right here. This is the Raspberry Pi M2 hat with the M key. This has our AI add-on there. We're gonna add that guy on top. It's gonna be on top of the fan. Keep it nice and cool, and then we'll have it. Just checking to see if there's any no radioactive stuff here. So that's always good. And we'll add the other accessories. Maybe I'll do one of my smart cameras on there. And we also have RGCam we'll add as a native Raspberry Pi cam because there's libraries to work with this natively. So that's pretty good. And we'll get started soon. Trying to figure out the best. Oh, there we go. That's where we want to be.